Would you like to make the most out of your participation at Arab Health 2023? We've got you covered. Follow our step-by-step guide for a seamless experience. Make connections with potential buyers. Go paperless and avoid the hassle of business cards. Convert opportunities into deals in real time and on the go. Log into Customer Center on the link provided below. Feed in your credentials sent to you by the Customer Center team. You've logged in successfully. Click on Exhibitor Badges on the Customer Center webpage and select Navigate to GES/Visit to manage badges. Once you're on the Visit Connect platform, click on Team to add more staff members. Click on Add Staff followed by Register Exhibitor. Fill the short form with your staff members' details. Once the short form is filled, you will receive a confirmation email prompting you to fill the long form. Click on Finish after you fill the short form. The registration completion email sent to your inbox will prompt you to complete your exhibitor registration now. Please note, you need to complete the long form exhibitor registration in order to receive your badge and log on to the online platform. Fill the long form with the necessary details and you're now officially registered for Arab Health 2023. Select the Questions tab on the Visit Connect platform and click on Add. Set your question type. Options vary from single choice to multiple choice. Don't forget to save it. You can add as many questions as you like. Log into Customer Center using the credentials sent to you on your email. Please note, this access is reserved for admins of the company only. Go to Event Platform and Lead Generation tab on the Customer Center webpage and click on Your Access to the Online Event Platform. Exhibitor staff can log into the online platform through the link provided in your online access email. You're in. To set up your profile, click on the My Profile tab at the top right corner. Once in your profile, proceed to click on the Edit buttons to make relevant changes or updates. Search through a list of attendees to expand your network with valuable contacts, conversations, and customers. Use the filtering tools to narrow down your targeted contacts. You can make a connection request to a sponsor or attendee by clicking on their profile. Start with an introductory message about yourself and your organization and how you think you can work together. You can do this by adding your message in the box on the right side of the page. You can easily set up a meeting with a contact on the platform by clicking on their profile and selecting an available time slot. You can choose to meet online or at the show. Once you have confirmed a date and time with your contact, start the meeting by going to their profile and clicking Meeting Call to start the virtual meeting. Click on the Lead Retrieval button present on the home page of the mobile app, or click on the link shared with you via email or SMS. Confirm your identity by clicking on By Email To. Enter the 6-digit code sent to your email. Read and accept the terms and conditions. Select Continue in your browser and check the Don't Ask Me This Again box. Please note, this step does not apply to Android smartphones. You're in. To view your badge, click on the button in the top right corner. Please note, the badge is viewable only on a mobile phone. Select the Scan Lead button at the bottom of your screen. Allow Visit Connect to access your camera. Scan the QR code on the visitor's badge whom you would like to capture as a lead. When the scan succeeds, your device may vibrate or make a sound depending on your device settings. If the scan fails, you can manually enter the visitor's 15-digit character code in the Enter Code tab. The code is 3 groups of 5 letters printed on the badge. You can review your leads by simply clicking on the Leads tab on the menu bar. This will open your list of leads collected. Tap on any one to see their details and you can continue to annotate after the visitor has left. You can enter answers to questions that were set up previously, add notes, images, and voice notes for reference. You can view the scanned lead's full name, contact details, and address. That's it. Simple and easy steps, and your next big deal may just be a scan away.